Welcome to Brand Investigation. I wanted to buy the best dishwasher machine brands in online, but there were so many brands and models listed that I couldn't decide, but it had countless options too now. Don't worry. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart customer reviews, Trustpilot user ratings, Quora users question with answers, and Walmart ratings and reviews for you. We're comparing the best dishwasher machine LG, Bosch, Faber and IFB to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Starting with capacity, LG and IFB lead with 14 place settings, Bosch offers 13 place settings, while Faber has the smallest with 12 place settings, affecting load size. Now, let's check number of wash programs. LG provides the most with 9 programs, IFB follows with 8, while Bosch and Faber offer 6 programs, giving fewer cleaning options. Moving on to dish rack type, LG, Bosch, and IFB feature adjustable racks, whereas Faber has a fixed rack, limiting flexibility for different dish sizes. Next, let's discuss drying technology. LG has true steam and extra dry, Bosch provides extra dry, IFB offers hygienic steam drying, while Faber features active drying, impacting drying efficiency. Now, let's talk about water consumption. LG and IFB are the most water efficient at approximately 9 L per cycle, Bosch consumes approximately 10 L per cycle, and Faber is the highest at approximately 10 to 11 L per cycle, which affects utility costs. Moving on to spray arm design, LG leads with a quad wash 4-arm spray, IFB has 3 spray arms, while Bosch and Faber provide 2 spray arms, impacting cleaning coverage. Next, let's check filter type. LG and IFB feature triple filtration, Bosch offers a self-cleaning filter, while Faber comes with a removable filter, affecting maintenance. Now, let's discuss detergent compatibility. All models support powder, liquid, and tablet detergents, ensuring versatility in detergent choice. Moving forward to brand origin, LG originates from South Korea, Bosch from Germany, Faber from Italy, and IFB from India, offering a variety of international options. Next, let's look at half-load option. LG, Bosch, and IFB support this feature, while Faber does not, impacting flexibility when washing fewer dishes. Now, let's check noise levels. LG is the quietest at 44 dB, followed by IFB at 46 dB, Bosch at 49 decibels, and Faber is the loudest at 52 dB, making it the least suitable for noise-sensitive environments. Moving on to child lock, LG, IFB, and Bosch include child lock, while Faber lacks this feature, which may be a concern for households with kids. Now, let's discuss auto door opening. None of the brands provide this feature, which means dishes might need extra time to air dry. Next, let's talk about control type. LG and IFB offer touch panels, while Bosch and Faber use button controls, affecting ease of operation. Moving forward to smart connectivity, only LG supports Wi-Fi with the LG Think app, while the other brands lack smart features, limiting remote control functionality. Now, let's check built material. All 4 brands offer stainless steel interiors, ensuring durability and efficient heat retention. Next, let's look at build quality. LG is rated premium, IFB is high quality, Bosch is durable, while Faber is rated standard, affecting long-term performance. Moving on to after-sales service, LG is rated excellent, Bosch and IFB are very good, while Faber is good, which may influence post-purchase support. Now, let's talk about Amazon ratings. Bosch leads with 4.3 star, Faber follows with 4.3 star, LG scores 4.1 star, and IFB has the lowest at 3.8 star, indicating customer satisfaction levels. Next, let's check warranty. LG, Bosch, and IFB offer 2 years of general warranty, with LG and Bosch providing 10 years motor warranty, while IFB gives 8 years and Faber only 5 years, impacting long-term reliability. Finally, let's discuss integrated customer rating. LG and Bosch has the highest at 4.5 star, Faber scores 4 star, and IFB is the lowest at 3.5 star, reflecting overall user experience.
Prices change daily. To check exact model and latest price in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel. The data comes from official sources, trusted purchases, and real customer reviews and ratings. If you buy the product online using our link, please check the product details on the seller's website before purchasing. Make sure to verify what accessories or items are included in the delivery box. After receiving the product, check everything carefully. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click. It's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our Brand Investigation YouTube channel.